This is our delicious potato curry, perfect for masala dosa or even on its own.
To start off with, we need to boil our potatoes, so cut your potatoes in half and boil them until they're fully cooked through. You just want to check with a knife to make sure, but it takes about 20 minutes. Once they're cooked, drain them and then leave them to cool, and then once they're cooled, take off the skin. We find that it's easier to do this when the potatoes are cooled down.
If you like these types of Indian dishes, then give us a like and subscribe for more.
Once you've peeled the potatoes, you're ready to chop them into chunks, so chop them into bite-sized chunks according to your preference.
Put your potatoes in a large bowl and we're ready to add the spices. So we go in with turmeric first, then some salt and then some ground chili, and then we give it a really good mix.
Now that the prep is done, we're ready to get cooking. So get a large pan onto a low to medium heat and add some sunflower oil to that. Then we're ready to put in our mustard seed and cumin.
Cook your cumin until it's nice and brown, and then add your curry leaves. You may want to add the lid on at this point.
After 1 to 2 minutes, add your dried chili cut in half and your cashew nuts.
Add the potatoes we prepped earlier and give it a good mix. So we're not done with our spices yet. Add in your cinnamon and garam masala. Add some lemon juice now for a little bit of tang, and then you can add some sugar just to balance out the spices.
Want to make sure that the curry hasn't dried out too much, so add a little bit of water and then add some sesame seeds and mix thoroughly through.
Gently squash the potatoes with a masher and just do this until you get your desired consistency.
To top this off, you want to garnish with some desiccated coconut and coriander. Hope you enjoyed this video and give us a like and subscribe for more.